Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add Google Shortcut on desktop home screen. So if you also want to add Google Shortcut on desktop home screen, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So adding the Google Shortcut to home screen is actually very simple. You can do it through various ways. The first way is to do it through Google Chrome. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for new tab, new window, new incognito window, etc. What you have to do is find the option for more tools. When you hover over it, you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for create shortcut. Once you find it, simply click on it. After that, you'll have to name it. After that, the shortcut will be created on your desktop. But if you do not find the option, like you can see over here, there is no option for creating a shortcut over here. Don't worry, there is also another option. This option is very simple. For that, what you have to do is go to the home screen of your laptop or PC. You can see over here, I'm in my home screen. Now what you have to do is click on the menu icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, menu will be opened. You'll be able to find several programs over here. What you have to do is find the program for Google Chrome. You can see the option for Google Chrome over here. Now what you have to do is click and hold. Now simply drag it to the desktop. Now you can see over here like this, the shortcut has been created. You can place it anywhere you want. Now if you click on it, you can see over here Google Chrome will be opened. So that is how you add Google Shortcut on desktop home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.